Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we're going to do a quick review of the Ahopegarden 12 pod intelligent planter indoor garden hydroponics. Now, this is an exclusive limited edition. You can see right here is a transparent, so you can see right through. You can see all the pods. You can see the beautiful lights up there. It comes with everything, like all of the garden, like all of the hydroponics garden. Most of them, they come with every single thing. And you can see I basically, this part will go up and down as a plant grow. And you could see within seeding a day or two, stuff is already ready to sprout up. Comes with these domes, so you could cover them, keep them safe, and you could lift these up. You could see right there, that sponge. You basically put the seed in that sponge right there, and you cover it. It's all water, comes with the fertilizer A and B, so you have your rich nutrition fertilizer, so it's healthy. And the good thing about this, if you look, we have either fruit or vegetables, and it comes with a pump. So the pump mixes the water, keep it nice and fresh and clean. And we have the power button, and you could set it up to 16 hours a day or 22 hours a day. So this will hold 12 plants grown from lettuce, spinach, kale, small tomato, or pepper plant. You have to have the dwarf ones. And check in the description box for an exclusive discount code. Don't have to pay full price, but you have to hurry up. The deal does not last for a long time. Check in the comment too. I will leave it there. Discount code, big discount code, so you do not have to pay full price. This makes an amazing gift. You could give your family, friends, neighbors, anyone, and grow fresh fruit and vegetable right in your home. This is very easy, and I will do follow-up video to show you guys how it's growing really fast.